Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Spells. Today we're back on the Titanic with issue 21. Okay, so the Titanic has been delivered. We have 4 new issues. We've got issues 21, 22, 23 and 24. So we're going to kick this week off with issue 21. So issue 21, as you can see, comes in another lovely box. And what we're doing, I don't think there's that much to do in the actual issue. So we go to the back, we'll actually see. So yeah, we get another hull section. So we're going to be putting on the starboard hull section, which is going to go just at the bottom, just there, along with that red section just there. As you can see, so we're going to have to use this Allen key screwdriver thing that they gave us. We're going to have to use that to get these in. And yeah, that's what we should have with the whole section anyway on the starboard side by the end of this video. And then we also get the replacement parts for issues 1 and issues 13 in this. So this is the one for issue 1, which is the bow decking. So we got to replace these parts here, the ones that are circled, with the new parts. So they are a different colour. So the only thing wrong with them is that they were a different colour, they were the wrong colour. A lot of people will say they are still the wrong colour, but it's down to you. At least the breakwaters are the right colour, and I'm not too sure about the others, which is the right and which is the wrong colour. You'll have to make your own decisions about that. And we'll also have to replace these parts. Now in issue 13, I didn't install these in issue 13, so I can freshly install them. So yeah, as you can see, we're just revisiting issues 1 and 13, and we're also fitting another whole section in this one. If you haven't yet subscribed to this for yourself, there is still time. You can head on over to HachetttePartworks.com or buildthetitanic.com. You can pick this up from issue 1. So without further ado, let's get the parts out of the packaging and start building. Okay, so first off, we're going to fit the starboard hull section, which is this big long pie here. And this is going to be going. We're going to be locating this on, let me stand this up, on these parts here, and into these holes down here. So let's start locating that on. I'm going to locate that with these holes first, line that up, and then push it in there. Everything should line up then. Now I'm going to put it back on its stand to help hold that up for us, and then we can start putting some screws in. So I'm going to put these ones in first. We're going to need 4 of the flange screws, which are IM screws. So let's get these in first. I am going to start closest to this edge and get all 4 of these in. So that's the first one. Now the second one, and just work my way to the back. That's number 2. Number 3. Just that. Final one of these screws now is number 4. Get this one in. Starting to get big already, just like that. So now if we show you the inside of here, I don't know if you can make that out. We've got a hole just at the bottom here, and here we're going to be getting a couple of these screws in. So these are like the ones with the Allen key heads on them that we've got to get into here. Right, so let's get this in. It can be quite awkward. I'm going to put the screw on the Allen key first and try and start that off. And yeah, basically what you're going to do is just going to keep going and secure both of these down. So this might take a while because I've got to do each turn individually. This should be the last turn of the bottom one. Let's try one more. Just like that. That's the bottom one in. So now we just need to do the next one up. Last turn. Just like that. So that is that whole section now on there. Alright, so now we come to the part where we're going to be replacing parts. So we've got issue 13 to do and issue 1 to do. So I'm going to do issue 13 first because that was quick and easy, because I haven't installed the parts for issue 13. I did leave them off because it did notify us in that we had to take them off. So we're going to install these winches down onto here. First, they're going at the back, just here. There's number 1, and number 2 is going here. And these ones are going just up here. There is like a key notch on them. They are quite loose, these are, so I may stick a tad of glue on them. So I'm just going to put a little dollop of glue just on the end of that. We can drop this one in. Right, that's the first one. Right, let's get the second one. Bit of glue on that. And then drop this one into place as well. Give that one a hold just for a second. And there we are. That is our issue 13 done. Now issue 1, as you can see, I've already took all the parts out for issue 1 in prep for this. The hardest part was taking the breakwaters out. As you can see, this one came out nice and easy. This one, not so nice and easy, because we had to glue this in. It's snapped on me just there. So what I did, because I've already done this one, what I did was I cut the actual pegs off of this breakwater, and I've glued it in the exact place where the other one was. So yeah, remove that at your own risk. If you want to, you can. Like I did with this one, I did have a spare issue 1. I went ahead and I painted this one white. So as you can see, it's exactly the same, white and white. So it's up to you whether you want to try remove your grey breakwater or paint it white. So with that, let's get the second breakwater on. Yes, I am gluing it again. And this will be the only part that I glue. As the others are like push fit connections, so you don't need to glue them. Alright, let's get this installed. In the pegs. Careful again when you're pushing it down. Come on, get in there. There we are. So that is that breakwater on there. So now what we can do is we can put the capstans in. Let's put them in. We want the grey ones with the gold tops. So 1, 2. As you can see, what they supplied before was just plain white. 3. Last one now. Number 4. Just like that. Now we've got these ones here which are gold, and they're going here. They're to replace these which were white also. So I've got 4 of them to put in. 1, 2, number 3, and number 4. Just like that. Now you do have one of these gold ones left over. That is spare. So yeah, you can keep that if you want to. But yeah, it's a spare just in case you accidentally break one of them. Yeah, that is issue 1 revisited and updated. So there you are, guys. That is issue 1 all complete. And yeah, nice easy issue to get us back in the swing of the Titanic. I do really enjoy doing these Titanic videos. Something about this build is a little bit different, a little bit special, this one. Even though some of the parts might not be 100% accurate, it's still going to have an amazing model, even if you mod it or not. So yeah, highly recommend this model. So join me again tomorrow. We'll have some more Build the Titanic. So until then, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.